have your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 15 miles away from a thunderstorm. You can take shelter inside a building or vehicle.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Albany County and east central New York, northwestern Rensselaer County and east central New York, south central Sarasota County and east central New York, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Dr. radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Troy, Cohoes, Latham, Green Island, Waterford, Half Moon, Scattacoat, Valley Falls, Verdoy, Haynersville, Crescent, Lincolnville, Eagle Pound, Station, Springs Corners, Pleasantdale, Scattacoat Hill, Mohawk View, Lansingburg and East Scattacoat. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report flooding. www.facebook.com/Albany or Twitter at North Albany.
And now the hour. West wind around 5 miles p.m. Eastern. Massachusetts. At Pittsfield, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 76 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity 71%. The wind was southwest at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.73 inches and steady. At North Adams, heavy rain and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 67, and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was variable at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.75 inches and rising. In central New England and eastern New York, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 76 at Springfield, Massachusetts, and 78 at Oklahoma City. At Albany, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 74. At Bennington, Vermont, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 69. Looking around the northeast, at Rome, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 77. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 75 at Burlington, 76 at Springfield, Massachusetts, and 74 at Buffalo. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 72 at Boston, and 80 at New York City. Again, the 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time hourly information for Western